In this video, I'm going to show you the Cyclone Cartridge Cleaner. This is a kit for your cartridge filter to help you clean it faster and also to save your back. When you're using this kit, you don't need to bend over because the cartridge is elevated off the ground. And included with the kit is this metal base here. And included is this hard anodized aluminum rod. And if your customer has grass, you can actually spike this rod directly into the grass. And it comes with two bearings, and this is what is used to spin the cartridge on the rod. And since the cartridge may get a little messy as it's spinning, one thing I recommend is a nozzle like this turbojet here. And here's another hose nozzle from an alternate brand. We can see both of them are very long in length, and you'll see why in the video. So using the Cyclone cartridge filter is very easy. You would just put the pin into the rod at the height that you want to put the cartridge in at. Then you would put one bearing on the bottom, and then you would put the cartridge on, and then you would put the other bearing on top. And so it's very easy to use. So here's an 80 square foot cartridge that's been in the filter for about 6 months, so it has quite a bit of dirt on here. And I'm going to clean it in real time here for you so you can see how quickly you can clean a cartridge filter using this tool. And basically it just spins around here as the water is hitting it, and this accelerates the cleaning ability of the nozzle. And you can see within about 30 seconds to 40 seconds this cartridge filter is completely cleaned. And this is my experience with this device, and I was definitely surprised at how quickly I can clean the cartridge filters on my pool route using the Cyclone Cartridge Cleaner. If you have a lot of single cartridge filters on your pool route, they also make different size bearings that will fit the different size opening on different cartridges. And you can see that this thing just does an amazing job as the cartridge is spinning. The dirt is just coming right off of there. And that's one reason why you want to use the nozzle with the extension on there, because you're going to get pretty dirty with all the water and dirt shooting everywhere. So I definitely highly recommend using that nozzle. And I also recommend using it on spray and not on a stream, because it cleans much more effective on the spray as it's spinning. And in case you're wondering how it does with a larger cartridge, here's a 150 square foot cartridge on here. And it does a great job with the larger and heavier cartridges. It spins just as good with the large cartridge as with the smaller one. And again, I love the fact that the cartridge is elevated off the ground, so I'm not leaning over it or bending over the cartridge. I'm actually standing up straight and using the extended nozzle to hose it off. And this is definitely a great tool to have on your pool route, especially if you have a lot of cartridge filters on your route. This is a great way to save your body and to speed up your day while cleaning the cartridges on your route. And the Cyclone Cartridge Cleaner allowed me to clean these cartridges in about half the time it would normally take. Also, since it's elevated off the ground, like I mentioned, I'm not leaning over the cartridges, so it really helps my back. And if you're looking for a quick and effective way to clean the cartridge filters out on your pool route, this is perfect for you. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.